Hi everybody, my name is Jamil Hassan. I am a student at the math, and today is going to talk about results and conclusion about my research project. My research project is about the use of ICT within the classroom and in the educational research. Regarding to the results of my research project, I can say that we know that in today's society, but even more so in the one to come, digital skills will be essential when determining enter into the work. They will also be able to function in daily life and to integrate into the knowledge society, which is why 100% of the people surveyed consider that new students should learn to use ICT as a starting point, since it is essential to know the operation of these tools to explore a new knowledge environment, and there is also unanimity that they should be implemented within the classroom, so the educational institution and parents must guarantee access to the necessary equipment to students. Since they all affirm in the entry that ICT brings advantage in the teaching learning process, much more in those times of the COVID-19 pandemic, that it has been seen that the use of ICT has been fundamental in the new educational processes that have arisen with the pandemic. However, 2 of 13 people believe that ICT are not at the forefront of the new educational system, and that the use of the ICT does not allow better teaching and therefore does not improve learning. The latter is stated by 33% of those surveyed, and that only 1% responds that ICT should not be appropriate into planning, and that teachers do not use them as support in the development of their classes, but they don't believe and agree that ICTs are related to education. Okay, and now regarding the conclusion of my research project, I came to say that this research was focused on a specific context in the Normal Superior Educational Institution of Cerejo, with students, teachers, and parents of Group A of 5th grade, with a total of 30 participants. The conclusion reached are limited in scope. However, it's worth noting that the work carried out could be a continuation of the subject, since in the face of advance in technology and the endorsement that young generations give to ICT teachers have no alternative but the prepared to properly guide in use of the teaching learning processes despite the effort made by the teaching staff to simulate the change generated by the use of ICT in their classes is present some shortcoming, which is why it is urgently necessary to reinforce the training area and the incorporation of ICT in the lesson plan and the experience and the teachers who are applying. They are positive factors demonstrated by the approval of the parents and all the participants of the research. In the ICT facilitate learning and the achievement of objectives, strengthen the topic, motivate, energize the classes, and promote student-teacher interaction. It can be said that with the factors analyzed, those that have the greatest impact on the application of ICT are training, availability of resource, institutional support, and compliance with established educational policies. This is all. Bye bye.